Assalamu alaikum students. I am your social studies teacher from Darul Arqam School Madinatul Hujaj campus. Today we have our first class of social studies of class 7. Let's start in the name of Allah, the most merciful and beneficent. First, recall that whenever you dig any ground to plant any seed, what did you find there? Soil. And have you ever seen any tube well or motor used to drag water from down the earth? So what is hidden there? Soil, water, or maybe something more? Let's find out today with the help of our today's lesson, the Earth's interior. Open your reader, lesson number 1, page number 1, unit physical state of the Earth. As we all know that Earth is the only planet where life can exist and survive because of its favorable conditions like air, water systems and sunlight. Our Earth is about 4.5 billion years old. It formed from the dust and gases that surrounded the Sun. As we know that gases, dust and rocks already exist in the universe, over 4.5 billion years ago, these rocks, which already exist in the universe, comes closer and together they form a new planet in the solar system, which is called Earth. The interior of the Earth is mostly made up of the silicate rocks and metals. Underline these lines. The planet Earth is made up of silicate rocks. These are the minerals consisting of silica combined with metal oxides. In the start, when the rocks joined together and made up a new planet, it was very hot. But over the time, the outer side of this planet cools down, but the inner side still hot. Because of this difference, it is divided into different layers. Over time, the interior of the Earth differentiated into layers. Do you know the names of this layer? Before going to read about the layers, let's read and share this information. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, "Is not He who created the heavens and the earth able to create the likes of them? Yes, it is so, and He is the knowing creator." It is said in Quran, Surah Yasin, that Allah, the great creator, who created the earth and heavens once, He is be able to create it once again. And Allah Almighty create everything with correction. Now the Earth's interior. The interior of the Earth is comprised of 4 layers. Let's explore them. The first one is the inner core. The inner core. It is the innermost layer of the Earth. It is in solid state and made up of metals like iron and nickel. Its temperature is 13,000 degrees Fahrenheit. It means it is hotter than the surface of the sun. It is very hot layer of the Earth. The inner core. The innermost layer of the Earth is called the inner core. It is a huge solid metal ball composed of iron and nickel with a diameter of 2,400 km. Underline these lines. The next is the outer core. Underline the name of this layer. Outer core. It is the second layer which is in liquid state and it is also made up of iron, nickel, sulfur and oxygen. The metals in this layer are found in molten form. It's 1400 miles thick layer and it is also very hot. The layer above the inner core is liquid in state and called the outer core. It is composed of liquid iron, nickel, sulfur and oxygen. Underline these lines. This layer is about 2,300 kilometers thick. Let's read this patch. How is the magnetic field of the Earth created? When the outer core of the Earth flows around the inner core of the Earth, metals move. These are the metals nickel and iron. This movement of metals creates a magnetic field around the earth. Without the outer core, life on earth would be very different. The movement of liquid metals in the outer core creates the earth's magnetic field and it allows us to use compass. The third layer is the mantle. Mantle. It is the largest layer of Earth's interior. It is divided into two layers, upper and lower mantle, and it have both solid and liquid states. The mantle is a 2,900 kilometers thick shell of rock that encloses the core. It is composed of iron, oxygen, silicon, aluminium, and magnesium. The mantle is divided into two layers, the lower mantle and the upper mantle. Underline these lines. The lower mantle is made up of solid rocks and the upper mantle is made up of both solid and liquid molten rocks. And fourth is the crust, the outermost layer of the earth. And here it comes. This is the layer where we live, the outermost and thinnest layer of the earth's interior. The continents and oceans found there, and it is the cool layer of earth. The outermost layer of the earth is called the crust. It is the thinnest layer of the earth. Underline this line. Its thickness ranges from about 8 kilometers to 40 kilometers. The land is composed of granite, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks, which forms continents, and it is called the continental crust. The ocean floor is mainly composed of basalt. It is called the oceanic crust. The crust and the uppermost part of the mantle form the rigid layer of the earth called the lithosphere. Underline this line. And here you can see that the lower part of the crust and the upper part of the mantle formed a layer which names is lithosphere. The lithosphere lies over the asthenosphere, that is a layer of soft rocks. And here you can see this brown line which is under the lithosphere. It is called asthenosphere, and this is a semi-liquid layer of mantle. These are the four layers of the earth's interior: the inner core, outer core, mantle, and crust. Part A, question number 1. This is your today's task. Find out the answer of the question. What is the difference between the inner core and the outer core? Also, part B, question number 1. Describe different layers of the earth's interior. Read the important points you have underlined. Revise your lesson and find out the answer of these two questions. Then write down these answers on any rough notebook, or you can use loose sheets. And on the page number 10, do the part D. Label the diagram of the earth's interior. These are the layers you have learned today. See this picture carefully and label correctly. Thank you.